Kei te poroa e te kāwanatanga, ngā mō tērā e ono, e whakaruru hauwana I te hunga pōkaikaha.
Oh, it's actually, it sucks, mate. It really does, because these places actually helping, people like us and shit like that. And now I just reckon it's bullshit.
Koni atu I te ono marama, a Mau Thompson me tōna whānau, e noho mō tērā ana ki te tiriti nei o Fenton atu I Rotorua. Todd McLeod, he's the Minister for National out of Rotorua.
Yeah.
He's come out and said that parents shouldn't be raising their kids in motels anyway.
Yeah.
What's your response to that?
Oh, no, I think that's bullshit, mate, because we've got a lot of tamariki here, and at the end of the day, it's a roof over your head. And these fellas have helped us heaps, they truly have.
I would remind them that actually a motel is not a home, and while it has been good that they've had temporary accommodation and a roof over their heads, what we're trying to do is make sure that they do get homes.
Me te aha hei tā te koro matua o Rotorua, koe nei te whakatautika. Hei tāna no henuka aukati, ngā mō tērā ohotata, I te taenga mai a ngā tūruhi ki Rotorua.
Unfortunately for the reputation of Rotorua, it was very damaging. We knew that we could be up to losing $90 million a year economically because we are a tourism town. So when the rest of the country was just hearing about our emergency housing motels, it really did have an impact on whether people wanted to visit us.
Hei tā LifeWise Rotorua, ko te rongo a kei roto I ngā ringaringa o ngā iwi, me te whakae hoki o te kaunihera ki tēnei whakaaro.
From my understanding, there have been multiple projects and plans here in Te Arawa. We have papakainga developments, we have iwi doing their own projects as social housing providers as well and working with the government. There are a lot of kainga order builds, and I know that some of our people may go into those homes. But for services like ours and others, we offer our Housing First program.
We know that there are other opportunities out there, like what we saw Ngāti Uanuku Kōpako do out by the airport, where they built homes and they placed people from motels and their own whānau into homes, and that's what we want to achieve.
E ai ki te mema pāre mata o Rotorua, a Todd McLeod, koe nei te aratika, kia whakahoki a Rotorua ki tōna tūranga tāpoi nui.
Look, I think it's really good because they've actually been transparent. So they've given us the numbers that they're aiming for. So by this time next year, they hope to only have 4 motels left of the contracted emergency housing. Now, if you think about, we once had 50 motels operating here in Rotorua. That was very damaging for us. So they understand that not only the people of Rotorua wanted a change, but also for those living in the motels, they were not appropriate for being used as a home. And actually, we want these families to be put into homes that are permanent and that they can call a home, and it's not a motel room.
Ka mutu kano hia ngā mō tērā e ngā kainoho, kia tutuki rāno e kāinga ora, a kāinga rua.
Well, we got a phone call from Kāinga Ora. Yeah, so we're hoping to, fingers crossed, we should be out of here in a couple of weeks, by the sounds of it.
Moko nui ārangi, haere huka Edmonds, mā Aukaha.